This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Hunter Krim. Welcome home. This beautiful 4-bedroom 2.5-bathroom home in Glenhaven has an open floor plan with tons of natural light. Kitchen appliances are new within the last year. Home has well-maintained hardwood flooring. 3 bedrooms upstairs including master with attached master bath. 4th bedroom, bonus room, and a powder room are all downstairs. Oversized garage has shelving and utility sink. The big backyard was fully fenced 2 years ago and the trex deck was all done in the last year. All that is missing is you to host some awesome outdoor get-togethers. Don't forget the amazing Glenhaven Community features a clubhouse, heated pool, tennis courts, basketball, playground, boat launch, etc. all within walking distance. For more information, review the details below or contact Hunter Krim at 360-734-7500.